Yo, welcome to this video, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the TikTok AI Alive feature. Okay, so first of all, you want to go to your Play Store and open that up, and you want to go to the search bar and you want to search for TikTok. Okay, TikTok, and then hit search. And you want to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. Okay, and if it says update, you want to go ahead and update that. Then you can go ahead and open up TikTok and you should be onto your profile. Okay, so what you need to do now is I'll just scroll up. Okay, you want to click on add a story. Okay, so you can add a story and you want to select the image that you want to select for this AI Alive. Okay, so I'll select this one, and right over here underneath top of the A button there should be a AI Alive button that you can push. It's going to look something similar to this. Okay, so if I show you right here, let me just click on that. If I show you this image right here, you're gonna select your story first of all, and then you're gonna see the AI Alive button there, and then you're gonna give it a short prompt, okay, to tell it how you want it to get animated, and basically it's gonna animate that for you, and then you can post that to your story. So that's all you need to do. If you don't have the feature right now, just hang tight. It will get released to you eventually. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.